विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट अबाउट रेपो रेट। रेपो रेट वो दर होती है जिस पर बैंकों को आरबीआई कर्ज देता है। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी ऑप्शन। इट इज़ द इंटरेस्ट रेट एग्रीगेट अपॉन द लोन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन अ कमर्शियल बैंक एंड द सेंट्रल बैंक। तो ये करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं है। इट इज़ नॉट लोन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन कमर्शियल बैंक एंड सेंट्रल बैंक। द कैश रिजर्व रेशो रेफर्स टू। तो जो बैंक की कुल जमा राशि के मुकाबले भंडार में रखे जाने के लिए आवश्यक नकदी का प्रतिशत सीआर कहलाता है, यानी कि कैश रिजर्व रेशो। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी ऑप्शन। द शेयर ऑफ नेट डिमांड एंड टाइम लायबिलिटीज दैट बैंक हैव टू होल्ड एज बैलेंसेस विद द आरबीआई। In economics, if a diagram has a line passing through the origin and has 45-degree angle with the other axis, माफ कीजिए, with the other axis, and it is asserted that along the line x is equal to y, what is technically assumed? Both variables are in the same unit. B is the correct answer. Who among the following won the best men's player award of FIFA Football Awards 2019? Correct answer is C option. In September 2019, which one of the following travel giants declared itself bankrupt? Correct answer is D option, Thomas Cook. Greta Thunberg, a teenage environment activist who was in news recently, hails from. Correct answer is Sweden. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India has imposed limitation initially for a period of 6 months on the withdrawal of amount by account holders of which one of the following banks? The correct answer is C option, Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. Amitabh Bachchan was recently conferred with the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Who among the following was the first recipient of the award? Correct answer is B option, Devika Rani. The famous Mughal painting depicting Jahangir embracing the Safavid king Shah Abbas was painted by which one of the following Mughal painters? Correct answer is B option, Abul Hasan. Which one of the following statement is about Mughal Mansab systems are correct? Correct answer is D option 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? A is the correct answer. जो कुदोपा है ये एक सीजन है, इज नोट लिया रॉकी वेस्टलैंड. Which of the following rulers were identified through metronymics, names derived from that of mother? Correct answer is D option, Satvahans. Which one of the following statements about the famous text of Panchtantra is correct? Correct answer is D option. It is a text showing through illustration what should and should not be done. Geomorphic factors influencing plant and animal distribution are. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है स्लोप, एंगल, स्लोप एस्पेक्ट एंड रिलेटिव रिलीफ. Which one of the following groups of cities does not have sclerophyll as its natural vegetation cover? Correct answer is D option, Las Vegas and Queensland. Which of the following are warm ocean currents? A is the correct answer, Kuroshio and California current. In India, how many states, union territories have more than 2 international boundaries? Correct answer is D option 4. कौन कौन सी हैं? सिक्किम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, लद्दाख एंड वेस्ट बंगाल। जो सिक्किम है वो इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर शेयर करती हैं भूटान के साथ ईस्ट में, नेपाल के साथ वेस्ट में और चाइना के साथ नॉर्थ में। जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश है ये, जो लद्दाख है, लद्दाख ये शेयर करता है अपना इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर पाकिस्तान के साथ, अफ़गानिस्तान के साथ एंड चाइना के साथ। In the headless cell thermal circulation, air rises up and finally descends at. Correct answer is subtropical high pressure cells. C is the correct answer. Which one of the following soils is characterized by very high content of organic matter? Correct answer is B option, histosol. 70 questions. Overseas Indians can exercise franchise in an election to Lok Sabha under which of the following conditions? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ए ऑप्शन 1, 2 and 3. Which one of the following is not a feature of Ayushman Bharat scheme? Correct answer is D option. The scheme provides a benefit cover of rate 10 lakh per family. Which of the following are considered to be the 4 pillars of human development? B is the correct answer, equity, productivity, empowerment and sustainability. Which one of the following was added as a fundamental duty through the Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002? Correct answer is B, to provide opportunities for education to one's child between the age of 6 and 14 years. Next question is, which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India protects a person against double jeopardy? Correct answer is A option, Article 20. Consider the following statements about Stone Age in India. Correct answer is A option, 1 only. Different periods are identified on the basis of type and technology of stone tools. From which one of the following factory sites were limestone and chert blades mass produced and sent to various Harappan settlements in Sindh? Correct answer is A option, Sukkur and Rohri Hills. The work Siyar ul Mutakhirin, which describes the Battle of Plassey 1757, was written by? It is written by Ghulam Hussain. C is the correct answer. Who believed that the Russian designs were an imminent peril to the security and tranquility of the Indian Empire in 1836? The correct answer is B option, Lord Palmerston. The Tatva Bodhini Sabha was established by? Correct answer is Devendranath Tagore in 1839. What was the code name given to the first ever tri-service military exercise between India and USA? Correct answer is the Tiger Trump. C is the correct answer. Naropa is an annual festival of. Correct answer is Ladakh. B is the correct answer. Which one of the following is India's official entry for the Best International Feature Film category in the 92 Academy Awards? Correct answer is C option, Gully Boy. The Global Goalkeeper Award is given by. Correct answer is the Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation. A is the correct answer. Gandhi Solar Park is located at. Correct answer is New York. A is the correct answer. Who among the following was the first to arrive in Africa as trader that eventually led to European colonization of Africa? Correct answer is C option, Portuguese. The College of Military Engineering affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru University is situated at. Correct answer is Pune. D is the correct answer. Which of the following statements with regard to Coal India Limited are true? Correct answer is B option, 1 and 3 only. CIL has its headquarters at Kolkata and CIL is the single largest coal production company in the world. Which one of the following climatic types is found in central Spain? Correct answer is Mediterranean dry hot summer. B is the correct answer. Which one of the following is not among the principal language of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is Monpa. D is the correct answer. The major part of Central Asia is dominated by which one of the following language families? Correct answer is A option, Indo-European. A is the correct answer. Which one of the following articles was defended by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on the plea that it would be used as a matter of last resort? Correct answer is Article 356. What is the ground on which the Supreme Court can refuse relief under Article 32? The correct answer is C option, that no fundamental right has been infringed. The Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises consists of. D is the correct answer, the Department of Heavy Industry and the Department of Public Enterprises. The first delimitation commission in India was constituted in. Correct answer is 1952. D is the correct answer. Who among the following stated in the Constituent Assembly that on 26th January 1950 India was going to enter a life of contradictions? Correct answer is A option, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The power of the Supreme Court to decide in the case of dispute between two or more states is called. Correct answer is A option, ओरिजिनल जुरिडिक्शन. माफ़ कीजिएगा, ओरिजिनल जुरिडिक्शन. यह है आर्टिकल 137 में. Who among the following is the chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister? Correct answer is B option, Vivek Debroy. हिल्सा इज द नेशनल फिश ऑफ, करेक्ट आंसर इज बांग्लादेश। The Vijayanagar Advanced Landing Ground of the Indian Air Force, which was reopened recently, is located in, correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh, यानी कि B option। Rustom 2, which crashed in Karnataka recently, was an, the correct answer is D option, unmanned aerial vehicle। सो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।